Welcome to Practical Talk. Hey, I'm Heather, a first-generation entrepreneur, social media marketing expert, former television and radio producer, and founder of Holloway Media Services. My intention with this podcast is to teach women entrepreneurs how to increase their impact and income with practical marketing advice. You know, the real stuff you can actually use to grow your business. So stick around and succeed with my easy-to-implement tips. And it all starts right now. If you're enjoying this topic at any moment, please share the episode with your network. Post it on social and tag us. And if you haven't yet, go subscribe, rate, and review this podcast. Thank you. Hey again, everybody. Thanks so much for joining me on another episode of Practical Talk. Today, I want to teach you about your appearance and how that matters on Facebook and how to build a professional cover photo for your Facebook business page. A professional Facebook cover photo matters for coaches and consultants. It just does. Most people think, though, that the cover photo is just another photo you slap on your business page, but that strategy couldn't be more wrong. Your cover photo is far more important than that because your cover photo has the ability to make you money, honey. So when you're advertising your services as a coach or a consultant, a professional appearance is especially vital. After all, people are looking for a wise, effective expert to give them dependable guidance on life, business, and productivity. Your Facebook cover photo is the first chance you get to make a great first impression and show that you yourself are practicing smart business strategies. Your Facebook page is, in many ways, the hub for your online presence. People will visit your page to connect with you, find out more information about your business, and pursue recent updates. A professional cover photo says, "I'm experienced and I know what I'm doing." Plus, many people don't realize that the cover photo is not just an empty space you need to fill as part of some unwritten social media obligation. It's so much more than that. A winning Facebook cover photo is a free billboard to your lead magnet. This is a free and easy way for attracting attention and captivating your target audience. So don't miss out on this opportunity to win clients over. Using your social photos, you have a chance to give soon-to-be customers a brand interaction that could lead them straight to your website or whatever you're trying to direct traffic to. This is a super valuable opportunity that too many business owners pass up. With your cover photo, you can promote a bunch of things like your blog, your email, your website, a special offer. Maybe you're launching something. Maybe you have a special product. You can use your cover photo to advertise anything. Really, truly, the options are limitless. And that's the real beauty of cover photos. Look, this is an investment that pays off. In the grand scheme of things, it only takes a little bit of time and effort to create a professional graphic for your Facebook cover photo. In life and in business, first impressions are everything. They make a big, lasting impact. And if you're not quite sure where to get started, partnering with a team of professionals is a great idea. A well-executed Facebook cover photo makes you money in more ways than one. And on top of that, it bolsters your reputation, something that is absolutely crucial in the business world. All right, so what did we learn today? We learned that we need a professional cover photo. Look, DIY looks DIY, okay? So we want to take a little time and invest here because this is a big part of your Facebook page real estate. Your cover photo has the opportunity to bring you leads and to sell your service. So take some time there. I hope this episode will help you take advantage of your Facebook cover photo and all the opportunities available. Look, I understand you can create your next cover photo graphic in Canva for free, but if you need to delegate that task and you don't want to spend any more time on Canva, feel free to reach out to us with the link in the show notes. Happy posting! I'm Heather Holloway, and you've been listening to Practical Talk. Thank you so much for being here. It means the world to me and my team. Hey, remember, check the show notes for resources and links to other episodes. And don't forget, new episodes are released every Wednesday.